Only on 2 News tonight, people in one Green Country town forced to wait a lot longer before help arrives during an emergency.
2 News reporter Brandon Richard shows us why an emergency response group is calling it quits.
Well, the state health department tells me Barnsdall EMS surrendered its license today, officially ceasing operations. And as you can see, someone's already cleaned house, throwing away these radios. Residents tell me they now want to know who's going to show up for the next emergency. Though she appears perfectly healthy, Faye Long hides a secret.
I have epilepsy. I experience the seizures.
Faye tells me at least one of those times she wouldn't have made it without help from a group of volunteer first responders at Barnsdall EMS.
They've been there for me in the first place, and I thank them very much for that.
But the agency closed its doors earlier this week. While first responders didn't want to go on camera, they tell 2 News the board voted to end the service abruptly. Earlier this month, the town council turned down a request to help fund the service by adding a $3 charge to customer water bills. We wanted to learn more about why the EMS board voted to end the service. When we showed up to the office today, the lights were on, but no one answered the door. With no first responders, the Osage County 911 coordinator says patients in Barnsdall will have to wait for an ambulance to arrive from Bartlesville or another community.
Well, I don't think it would have a very good impact. I mean, obviously, especially for the elderly.
We have a lot of elderly in our town, and they're in need, and we definitely need them in this town.
Leaving many in this town, like Faye, wondering how long it'll take for help to arrive. Now, those volunteer first responders tell me this wasn't their decision, but the board's, and they're looking for a way to bring the service back. Reporting in Barnsdall, Brandon Richard, 2 News works for you.